In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog using the Hostinger website builder. If you've ever dreamt of having your own corner on the internet where you can share your thoughts, hobbies, or expertise, then this guide is a great place to start. Setting up a blog is easier than you might think, especially with the intuitive tools that Hostinger offers. So let's dive in and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First things first, head over to Hostinger's official website. This is the starting point where you'll bring your online idea to life. Hostinger provides a range of web hosting services that will be the backbone of your new blog. Once you're there, look for the login option at the top of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the simple registration process. After logging in, navigate to the home section of Hostinger. This is the heart of your account where you can manage your hosting services, explore different options, and access various tools. On the dashboard, you'll find a section that lists your websites. Here, locate the website you want to modify, or if you're starting from scratch, the option to create a new site. Once you've identified your site, click on Edit Website. This will take you directly to Hostinger's website builder, a user-friendly platform designed to make website creation as seamless as possible. From within the builder, look for the settings that correspond to your website. This might be labeled as More Settings or Website Settings. It's in this section that you'll make crucial adjustments and customizations. As you peruse the settings, look for an option titled Blog. Clicking here is where the real magic begins. Hostinger's blog feature is designed to facilitate easy blog creation, allowing you to focus on your content and design without worrying about the technical complexities. To proceed, click on Start a Blog. This step is essentially the launchpad for configuring your blog's design, layout, and functionality. You can choose from a variety of templates and themes to get the perfect look and feel for your blog. Once you've selected a template, you can begin customizing it to reflect your personal style or the brand image you want to convey. That brings us to the end of part 1 of this tutorial. You've successfully navigated through setting the foundation for your blog using Hostinger's intuitive platform. In the next segment, we'll dive deeper into personalizing your blog, adding content, and optimizing it for search engines. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to guiding you further in your blogging journey.